So in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your iPad and materials like that if you're planning to record your class, or even if you're not going to record it, if you're planning to stream your iPad to the room. One thing you need to do when you come in the classroom is find the microphone. If you're going to wear a microphone to teach in general, like maybe you think you talk too quietly through the mask, or if you're going to record, you'll need to wear a microphone. So you just put it on. And the etiquette is that whoever is about to record is supposed to change the battery. So you just open it up, take out the batteries that are currently there. Presumably these are the old ones. And then you'll find the battery charger. Sometimes it's hidden behind the computer or something like that. But you take the new ones off of here. Charge the old ones. Please do not forget to put the old ones on a charger. That way the future instructors will have charged batteries. I usually just stick this in my pocket, hook the lapel microphone, usually pretty low. They're pretty good microphones, so I usually do like that. You can check the recording later. And don't forget to turn it on. Now if you want to, you can adjust the microphone volume that's in the classroom. So if you would like to record your voice for recording, but you don't really need the microphone in the classroom, it makes you too loud, you can put this down, and that way the recording volume will still happen, but the students in the classroom won't hear your microphone. Obviously, on the first day, you should play around with that, test it, make sure that your classroom settings are working the way I'm describing. You can watch any video that you make later, just to make sure that your microphone was set up correctly on that first day of class. So the first thing you want to do, probably before the first day of class, is visit your classroom to figure out what kind of iPad connection you will need. It's usually either VGA or HDMI. In this classroom, 1216, it's HDMI. So you want to make sure you have the right kind of dongle. This one is an HDMI to Lightning adapter. So I can plug HDMI into this, and then this into my iPad, like that. And that way, my iPad is talking to the system. I personally like to keep my iPad charged just in case the battery is low. So if you have a dongle, it probably has a place where you can plug in the charger. Okay, that's all plugged in. Now if you come over here, there should be a little screen. And it says swipe to power on, unless it's already on. And this gives you a few different options. There's PC, that's the classroom computer. That's actually what's showing right now. There's laptop, which is also going to be where your iPad shows up typically. And then dock cam, which is this back here. So if you electron a dock cam, that would be the button you press. So I'm going to press laptop. Okay, so now that I push this button to tell it to look for the input coming in from my iPad or my laptop, if it had been my laptop, it is doing that. So if I look out, I actually have a screen in the back. I just opened up a picture of my dog back when she was a puppy on my iPad. But if I had slides or something like that, you would see that. So that's how you can stream your iPad to the classroom. Now, if your classroom is equipped with classroom capture so that you can record yourself teaching, it may happen automatically. I'm not sure yet until the semester actually begins. But if not, on your classroom computer, you should have something called Panopto Record Now. And you log in. And if necessary, you do. Hang on. Okay. And then you can see how the camera is going to work. So this is the classroom right now. So that's going to be like the instructor capture. And then down here is the content, which is currently my duo. So let me switch back to my puppy. Okay, so that's my iPad screen. And then this is the classroom camera. Then you can say how long you would like it to record. So again, I don't know if any of this is necessary if you have auto capture set up, but if you just wanted to do an ad hoc recording, you could say like record me for an hour and a half, and then you just press record. At which point, you can see my reflection, at which point it will record and send it to your Panopto. Okay, so now you can see what the recording looks like given that I've set up the Panopto Now feature on the computer. So the stream is my iPad. So I could be writing on this in the usual way. I don't have anything to write, so I'm just flipping between two pictures I drew in GoodNotes. And then the camera is pointed up here towards the whole room. There may be a way to zoom in so that people can see what I'm writing on this very small board here, but if you're planning to record your class, you might want to go ahead and plan to lecture on an iPad or using the document camera anyway. That way you can easily upload your notes to students who missed the class afterwards. So that's it. That's how you come into the classroom and set up your course to record. All right, I'm in SAS 1220, and this classroom has HDMI, but it was a bit hidden because when I walked in, it was attached back here to the dock cam. So if you're looking for like a VGA or an HDMI cable, look for it attached to the dock camera if you can't find it. Okay. So then I'm going to plug it into my iPad, and then on this little screen, swipe power on. Okay, I had some technical difficulty because I said hit laptop HDMI because I thought that would be the HDMI cord and nothing came up. And then I realized, oh, it must be dock cam because it was the dock cam connection. So if you're taking the HDMI cord off of the dock cam, then you just try the dock cam button. And as you can see on my device, I've just pulled up a picture of my dog back when she was a puppy. But if you had slides or something like that, that's what would be seen now.